welcome to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. The recipe of today is for a sauce especially for those of you guys who love tacos. So if you go to taquerias and you enjoy Mexican food, you've certainly seen this sauce, and it's called fake guacamole. It's a light green sauce, which sometimes you probably think, ooh, I'm eating guacamole, but it's not guacamole. The reason is avocado can be kind of pricey most of the year. So it's obviously not good business to be putting guacamole, especially if it's for sauce, which you put tons on your taco. So people substitute it with these ingredients, which taste super similar. It looks the same, it has the same texture, and it's really yummy. So I hope you guys enjoy the sauce. The ingredients you need to make your fake guacamole are 6 tomatillos, 1 zucchini, 1 jalapeño pepper, 2 garlic cloves, a bit of cilantro. I'm just grabbing a handful, but my hands are very childlike, so take that in consideration. If you have big hands, then just don't grab as much. It's also to your liking. If you like cilantro a lot, you can put a lot. If you don't like so much, just put very little. About 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and salt to your liking. It's also about a tablespoon. Okay, so just before we get started, I just want to boast that all these ingredients I'm using, except for the oil and the salt, are from our garden. I feel very proud of that. The tomatillos, sadly, are not from this season. I wasn't really in the mood of growing new things this year, but some things were grown in our garden, like the jalapeño, the zucchini, the coriander or cilantro, and like you can see, I told you I have very small hands, so just put as much as you like. Everyone likes different amounts of coriander. Some of us are quite picky with the flavor. The garlic, everything's from our garden, so that's really cool. What we're going to do is we're going to cook the zucchini and the tomatillos in some boiling water. So put some water to boil and cook it there. You're going to let it cook for 5 minutes and then you turn it off. Meanwhile, while it's cooking, you're going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil and you're going to fry your jalapeño. Also until it's a bit golden brown spots on it. You turn it off. You let the oil cool down. Once the oil's cooled down, you're going to process your zucchini and tomatillos with no water, just the vegetables, the jalapeño, the cooled down oil, your 2 garlics, your cilantro or coriander, and your salt. You're going to need a blender. You're going to process it until you have a nice smooth sauce. There's really no science to this. This recipe is super easy. Don't put a lot of oil, it's not needed. I've seen lots of recipes where they use tons of oil and the only thing that happens is you have this like oily filming coat on your tongue, which is a bit disgusting. So the 2 tablespoons is more than enough. The zucchini is the main source to give it that creamy, nice texture the sauce gets. So you won't need anything else. And just to show off, this was today's harvest. I seriously don't know what to do with so many zucchinis. We've been doing cakes, savory dishes, sharing with people. It's like, what do I do with so much food? Very happy, but it's a lot. So if you guys grow your own produce, you probably know what I mean. So let's start making our sauce. That is so easy. The jalapeño, all I did was cut off the stem and I cut it lengthwise so that you would get a bit more oil and fry it better. But other than that, the rest of the process you saw, it's very easy. Here's a close-up of our fake guacamole. As you can see, the color is just the same as an avocado. It's amazing the trick that it does with the zucchini and the tomatillos, that it gives you just the exact same color. And taste-wise, I already tasted it off camera. It's a bit too spicy for my liking. I'm horrible. I'm a really bad Mexican. I'm really bad at eating spicy food. And I don't want to be coughing because then I won't be able to talk to you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Please eat some tacos for me. Enjoy this sauce and have some tacos. And remember that I showed you how to make it. I'll see you in the next video.